For individuals seeking a high-volume product for their investment, the Samsung Galaxy A53 stands out as an excellent choice, identified as the best value Samsung phone available on the market in 2023. This new smartphone offers impressive features. It includes an 8-core processor, 6GB of RAM, a 120Hz screen, the latest version of the Android, a quadruple main camera and a sizable battery. While these features are prevalent among mid-range smartphones, Samsung has added some unique advantages to the Galaxy A53. It appears that the Galaxy A53 targets a younger audience, as evident by its design. The device has a continuous design compared to the Galaxy A52, featuring round edges, a bezel-less display with a selfie camera at the top, and a polycarbonate back with a large photographic module. The front is almost bezel-less, allowing its 6.5-inch screen to be highlighted. It's a Super AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz, offering a significant upgrade from its predecessor. The rate is also adjustable, adapting to factors such as the content displayed on the screen or the battery level. The Galaxy A53 screen is impressive, meeting the standards for detail, sharpness, and color reproduction. Although it doesn't reach the level of Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, it offers good brightness of around 800 nits, making it suitable for viewing content in broad daylight. Powered by an Exynon 1280 processor, accompanied by 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, the Galaxy A53 performs well with everyday tasks such as social media browsing and casual gaming. In more demanding tasks, it still functions effectively, though may occasionally experience slowing potentially due to poor software optimization. The device's 5000 mAh battery allows for intensive usage throughout the day, with minor tweaks conducting a day and a half without issue. Samsung did not compromise on the camera quality, with the Galaxy A53 featuring a quad prime lens with a mid-range configuration. The primary sensor boasts 64 megapixel and f1.8 aperture, while the ultra-wide angle camera features a 123-degree angle of viewing, 13 megapixel resolution, and a f2.2 aperture. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed.